I'm Steve Byerly. I work at Microsoft full-time, MindStand part-time. I graduated from UMBC 2 years ago, and I work on cloud systems and distributed systems.
What's the most exciting thing you want to see MindStand accomplish?
I would really like to see them get off the ground and get a working prototype, and get some customers. Get some customers would be really cool, and kind of delight those customers, and then grow the whole revenue-based thing, and actually be able to start producing content. Solving problems.
My name is Micah Husk. I am the social media manager at MindStand.
Awesome. What was your journey to MindStand?
So it's a funny story, actually. It was around the time when I graduated from Rowan University. I was on the job hunt, and Taylor, the graphic designer, hooked me up with you guys, and Michael was looking for a part-time social media manager, and I was looking for experience. So I was hoping to get the first best experience from you.
Awesome. So what would you like to see MindStand accomplish?
I would like MindStand to extend their brand, and I would like for them to grow bigger and better than ever.
My name is Taylor Odenath, and I am the graphic designer here at MindStand Technologies.
What was your journey to MindStand?
So it's actually a little bit of a funny story. I was airbrushing in my basement, and my brother was on a FaceTime call with our lovely MindStand crew, and I asked them if they needed a graphic designer because I knew they were planning a startup. And here I am today.
I'd love for you to point to that logo and say you designed it.
This is my logo. I designed it for MindStand. Proud to say.
What's something exciting you want to see MindStand accomplish?
So in the next few years, I would love to see us be fully established, have big investments, and for us to just get our website up and running and have a great customer basis.
I'm Nikita Wootten, and I'm the Chief Data Scientist here at MindStand.
What was your journey to MindStand?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so Eric Solender, our CTO, and I started MindStand out of a hackathon project. We were told at the time that we'd be insane not to pursue the idea, so we did. We later on brought on Michael as our CEO, and together we've been working on this for 3 years now. It's been a great journey.
What's something you want to see MindStand accomplish?
I want MindStand a few years from now to be helping huge organizations. I want us to have case studies showing the power of data in the DEI space.
What does DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion, mean to you?
I mean, it of course means a lot of things. DEI is a huge area, but fundamentally it means equality of opportunity. It means that nobody has the right to put you down. Nobody has the right to send you backwards.
So my journey to MindStand started at the Big Camp Hackathon in 2018. Myself and our chief data scientist, Nikita, built the initial prototype for MindStand at that hackathon, and we won the Bloomberg Philanthropic Hack Award. And we were told we'd be insane not to pursue the idea as a company. Since then, we've built MindStand from 3 people to what it is today. So that's where I guess my journey started.
Awesome. What is something exciting you want to see MindStand accomplish?
I want to see MindStand become the standard online HR tool across pretty much every industry that operates online. So I want to see this in different financial institutions, in hospitals, in schools, and in businesses all across the country, because I think it can foster change amongst all these places.
All right, last question. What does DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion, mean to you?
To me, diversity, equity, inclusion means that everyone, no matter their race, sexual orientation, really any demographic identifier, they're treated the same and given the same opportunities no matter what. And I see MindStand as a means to ensure that everyone is treated with equality and respect, whether that be online or in a boardroom.
Hi, my name is Micah Ogunsanya. I'm the CEO and co-founder of MindStand Technologies. I want MindStand to be the gold standard in addressing workplace culture. I can't wait for us to say we have companies across the world who rely on MindStand to understand culture, to understand this sticky, kind of confusing question that's plagued companies for hundreds of years. I want MindStand to crack that nut. Diversity, equity, and inclusion means creating an opportunity for everyone and recognizing who they are and celebrating them. There's so many action verbs I think of when you think of the term diversity, equity, and inclusion around comfort, around securing people in their environment. So I really see DEI as a critical point to where we live today, how society moves, and how we respect and understand each other. And my journey to MindStand started when I was a sophomore in college. I met Eric Solender, our current CTO and co-founder, as well as Nikita Wootten, our co-founder. And originally, Eric and Nikita came up with the prototype of MindStand, this simple system so that could identify hate speech using machine learning. And from there, it's just been an amazing journey in figuring out what's the right market and the people for this product.